What's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got a case for the Pixel 6. The case is made by Caseology. This is the Parallax case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's a Caseology Parallax protective case compatible with the Google Pixel 6. All right. This is the red insert, black one with the red insert. Here's some pictures right here. Does not fit the Pixel 6 Pro. Lots of grip, protect the camera. You got the pattern on the back that's going to give you good grip there. You can get it in red, you can get it in ash gray, and you get it in sage green. All right, $14.99 on Prime. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in, Caseology. There's a picture of the case right there. Not much on the back right there. All right, and easy to open tab right here. So I like that. Pull that out, and here's the case. All right, got a little card inside. I think this might be a thank you card. Welcome to the club. Happy to have you. Let's put this to the side. All right, now here's the case. You got a pattern you got a pattern inside right there for shock absorption. A little bit of branding in there, and you got this nice texture on the back with some grip and the pattern right there. It's kind of matte feel but soft. You got grip on the side right here. You can see that, so it's going to be very grippy. Your volume down rocker and your power button are open. You got the camera area right here that's raised up with a red insert right there and this red band. That looks pretty nice on the back. And you got grip on this side right here. Got a little branding right there as well. You can see that. And got your mic hole up top. And your charging port and your speakers open at the bottom, okay? Now let's get to the device and put it inside and see what this looks like. Okay, here's the Pixel 6. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case and see what it looks like. Hopefully nice tight, so a nice tight fit, and this feels good. Great grip, excellent grip on the side right there, and it feels premium. All right, now this is the back right here. It's textured a little bit. Got that red insert around that big camera that looks good, and you got that band right there. It's kind of like a scarlet looking band. This feels good. Nice looking case, feels good in the hand. All right, doesn't have too much bulk. Now here's the screen protection there. Lip is up there, but it's not too bad, not too intrusive, and it's integrated really well. All right, here's the charging port and your speaker grill right there. Everything's fine there, and you got your mic hole. Can't really see that, but I'm sure it's in there. This is a little bit thick up top right there, so you can't really see that mic hole. There you go, right there. So it is lined up pretty good. All right, so nice case. I like this case, and it's got lots of good grip on it. All right, for the Pixel 6, nice place to hold your finger when you're using it. So this phone, I like the way this phone is designed too. Okay, we're gonna check out wireless charge, see how that works. Here's a charger right here. Let's put it down first. All right, so picked up wireless charge right there, no problem. Picked up wireless charge standing up as well. Let's see what it does when it lays down. Picked it up laying down too. So charging in all three positions, that's pretty cool. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Caseology Parallax case for the Pixel 6. All right. Now it's a nice case. It looks nice and it feels good in the hand. All right. I recommend this case. It's above $10. I try to keep them under $10, but this one was pretty nice and looks good as well. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.